Welcome back. This is your weekly video update for Friday, September 27th, 2019. I wanted to start by saying thank you to all who visited our fall festival last Saturday. It was a warm one, but we had a great day. Unfortunately, the make your own caramel apples were so popular, we sold out of caramel by just 2:30. Also, our apple tasting station was very interesting. It seemed like all the women in the audience preferred the Pink Lady and all the men preferred the Honey Crisp. But now, since the Owl Barn is closed for the season, go ahead and get your fresh apples from our favorite orchards over in Rittman. You can either go to Bauman Orchards or Rittman Orchard. And for those of you that entered our raffle at the Fall Festival, congratulations to those 3 winners. I wanted to thank those of you as well because we were able to donate $212 to One of a Kind Pets up in Akron. This is a great organization run by great people, helping all of the lost or homeless pets and pets in need in the Akron area. If you would like to donate, you can head over to their website. They do have a donate tab. They also have a list of their 10 most needed items. You can just drop those off at their location on West Market Street. Coming up this weekend is Barberton's Mum Fest. It is a complicated thing to put off. We are good friends with Bill Allenbach, who is one of the master growers there for the Mum Fest, trying to determine the diagram for the garden, the bloom time to get it just right is just a complicated task. So we wish them luck every single year. And if you wanted to tune into Tom Dayton's radio show Saturday morning, starting at 8 a.m., he will be live from the Mum Fest. He will have quite a few special guests to interview on that morning as well. We received a few shipments in this week. We are already gearing up towards next summer and this upcoming holiday season. We got the geraniums in and the poinsettias already. The poinsettias arrived this week as well. They may not look like much now, but in just 2 short months, they will color up to those pretty holiday plants you're so familiar with. And you may not be aware that when they do color up to the red or the white or the pink or the specialty color that you're familiar with, they are not flowers. They are actually a bract, which is a modified leaf. Many people are quite scared of the poinsettia to have them in their home near their children, their family, their pets, because they think they're poisonous. Whether or not that's true, Ohio State did do a study and they determined that a 50-pound child would have to eat more than 500 leaves to even get sick. And to be honest, they really don't taste good anyway, so that probably won't happen. And these tiny little geranium cuttings came in. These will become the large 2-gallon blooming geraniums next spring and summer that you know and love. They are just this big, and they will become a big lush plant by next year. And as I've discussed in the previous video, it is now time to start thinking spring by planting bulbs like daffodils, tulips, crocus, allium. There's so many to choose from. If you need help or if you need a refresher on how to plant bulbs, how deep and when and where, we have a video on YouTube which has surpassed 64,000 views. It is 2 years old. I could have never imagined we'd have a video with that many views. It has tons of great information. I will link it in the description of this video so you can go ahead and take a look as well. And speaking of bulbs, we still have a fantastic selection, including those gladiator alliums I talked about a couple times now. Those are down there in that pot. Just $3.99 each. You will get those large purple flowers in early summer. We also have some really unique varieties. Let me show them to you. So that's it for this week's video. I would just love to hear what you guys want me to do a video on. If you could leave in the comments below or just send us an email to info@DaytonNursery.com with some topic ideas, I would just love it and I'll get to work on that. Okay, thanks again for watching. We'll see you again next week.